Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to talk about the Tasks tab. Now, from its name, it's basically for tasks. Once you are here, you can see all the tasks that you have to do. You have more than one folder: to-do list, tasks to do, and you can right-click to create a new folder, and let's call it My To-Do List 2020 or 2022. Now here we have a new tasks list. You can simply add a new task by writing here, type a report, submit a video, and you can see the icons. And once you are done with the task, you can simply click that check mark here. Now from this very same menu, you can add a due date for this task by clicking here, choosing 20 to be the due date. And you can add a category for this task as well, as you can see. Now, you can double click the task itself to enter the edit task menu. You can add a start date, due date, you can add a status in progress, let's say high priority, and you have completed 50% of the task. Once you are done, click save and close, and you are good to go. Now there is another way to add a task, which is the new task button here. Now, new task. You can add the same information: start date, due date, status, priority. You can add a reminder, and you can choose the reminding time once you select the task time, as you can see. Now enable the reminder and choose the date and time. Choose the complete period and click save and close. Now we have added a task that we must do, but what if we want to add a task that we want someone else to do? To do this, you can easily go to the new task menu, and from here click assign task. Now you need to write the email address for the person that you want to send the task to, and right here assign task assigned, let's say task to you. And from here you can add the same information: in progress, high priority, 0%, and hit the send button. Now the task request is not in your tasks folder. This task will not be updated when you receive responses or updates unless you move it to your tasks folder. So first you need to save and close this task. Now once you save and close the task, as you can see, this is our task. You can click the send button and click yes. Now we have the task added here with a different icon. This icon means that someone else must do this task, not you. The ones that have the red check mark is the ones that you must do, while this one is assigned to someone else, as you can see from this mark. Now you can double click it to see the information, the progress, and other things. So, thanks for watching this lesson. Now this is everything you need to know about the tasks. It's a good way to keep track of your time and the tasks that you have to do. And you can even assign emails, as we already explained, by simply adding this flag sign. And if you did right click on any of the emails, you can choose to assign these tasks or turn this email into a task that must be done this week. Once you do that, you will find it in your tasks list. As you can see here, we have a lot of emails. That's it for this lesson. I know that we are explaining things in a pretty fast pace, but this is to make sure that we are not wasting your time. If you have any question, please ask. I'm here to help. This is Ashraf. See you next.